Hi everyone. I've been accepted as a vendor at a local market series. The company is Good Local Markets, and the particular market I'm going to be participating in is White Rock Local Market. And if you're in the Dallas area, that is going to be that market is every Saturday at the White Rock United Methodist Church in Dallas. I won't be there every Saturday, but I will for sure be there April 2nd and some other Saturdays in April. But for you crocheters out there, a lot of us wonder, what do I get ready to sell at a market? So I looked in some Facebook groups and I've made my best stab at things I enjoy making. So today I'm going to show you what the status is with this series of Jasmine Star Cotton Crochet Coasters. Now, if you have seen some of my tutorials, you know that I've got a tutorial for that up there. So if this looks like something you want to give a shot at, then go ahead and look at that tutorial. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Also, before I proceed, please subscribe to my Itty Bitty Baby YouTube channel and like this video. And if you know a crocheter or somebody who might enjoy these coasters, please share this video with them. I would appreciate it. I'm hoping to grow this channel and provide lots of useful and fun and inspiring content for other crocheters or people wanting to learn to crochet. So here we go. Let's take a look at the coasters. All right, I've got my pool table. I'm gonna have to vacate this stuff off the pool table because my husband says that this damages the green felt underneath. So anyway, I just did a yarn inventory. I made a bunch of cotton coasters, and the brand that I used is Lion Brand 24/7 cotton. It is one of my favorite yarns to work with. If you look up close, it's mercerized, so you can see that lovely texture. It's very strong, durable yarn. Lots of beautiful colors. I'll walk around while I continue to talk so you can see the other colors. Yeah, I just did a yarn inventory. I'm trying to make 4 of each color that's ready to go for the coasters. And then another thing that I'm gonna do that I'll update you on is I made smaller versions, and these won't be coasters. What I'll do is stitch them together, not this particular collection altogether. I'll do matching colors probably. Anyway, I'll probably do 3 up like that, and then 4 across, and stitch them together and add a border. There we go. And make matching placemats. And so then for some, I might then make some other coasters that have, like for the yellow, I might make like a sunshine themed placemat, and then I might make some yellow with a white border coasters to go with them in the set. And then I'll have some that are just where you can pick and choose, kind of make your own set of coasters and placemats. So I'll do that. If you're somebody looking to buy these, the coasters are right now listed on my website at figbasketcrochet.com. And also on my YouTube channel, I have a tutorial for making these. They're called Jasmine Star Coasters. So you can check out that tutorial. You can have one made up in less than half an hour once you get going. Anyway, I have ordered some more yarn. I'm gonna add another color or 2. There's a nice denim blue available in this yarn that I'll be adding to this. So I guess that is about it. So please, again, hit the like button on this video if you liked it. If you like my dog, Frodo, okay. This is our library pool room, and then my things I've made. It looks like a wreck, but it's more organized than it seems. Anyway, like button, subscribe to this channel, share it with your fellow crocheter friends. Thank you, everybody. Love you guys. Bye-bye.